Another no-fly, no-sail, and no-fishing zone will be enforced along eastern Luzon in the next few days. This is due to the scheduled launch of another South Korean satellite. More from Aya Macalma.
For the third time, South Korea is planning to launch their satellite this coming January 30. But if in case they fail again the succeeding days until February 8, they will still continue to launch their satellite. Since Monday, the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council declared red alert. The agency will strictly implement the no-sail, no-fly, and no-fishing zone 540 kilometers of Central Luzon, starting 2:55 in the afternoon until 8:55 in the evening Philippine time. This includes Albay, Catanduanes, Sorsogon, Samar, Southern and Eastern Leyte, Camarines Sur and Norte, Siargao, and Dinagat Island.
15:55 hanggang 17:30. Ibig sabihin, alas 3 hanggang alas 5:30. 1 hour delay tayo, so 2:55 hanggang alas 4:30. Pag hindi matuloy bukas, 30, ang ni-request nila yung window time date, 31 hanggang 8 February. Kung hindi matuloy bukas. So yung dating exclusion na zone.
According to Undersecretary Benito Ramos, they received a letter from the Department of Foreign Affairs 2 days ago regarding the launch. Monday afternoon, they already disseminated the information to all concerned government agencies. Ramos also mentioned they already sent out notice to airmen via Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines or CAAP to have a rerouting scheme. Even the foreign cargo ships were notified by the Marina and Philippine Coast Guard, as well as the fishermen were now warned to avoid the and to avoid casualties.
Get out from the exclusion zone. Do not attempt to cross the exclusion zone by air, by sea. Dahil very risky.
The NDRRMC is more concerned with the rocket booster that will be released a few minutes after launching. They are looking 3 possibilities. One is the booster will fall as a whole. Second, it will burn in the air or it will disintegrate. With the warning that was released by the NDRRMC, they are hoping that everybody will cooperate and follow the guidelines that was released and to avoid casualty. For the People's Television, Aya Macalma.